Myself Irfan Khan from ALCHEM Science Tutorials. Again we are going to study about one of the important topic of chemistry, that is just considered as one of the basic concepts of chemistry, that is mole fraction. So right now we will going to study about mole fraction. As you know that the name of this topic is basically suggests that mole fraction might be something about the mole concept. So before going to further, we will understand the moles. Moles is just nothing but the equivalent amount of any substance that is considered as a moles. If someone told you bring the 1 mole of water, so you will definitely going to bring the equivalent amount of water, so that will be equal to the 18. That is the molecular weight of water. So 1 mole of water will be 18 gram of water or 18 ml of water. So this is a mole concept. So right now we will move toward the next important concept. First of all, we will see the definition of mole fraction. Mole fraction is the ratio of number of moles present in any solutions. You will easily find out the number of mole fraction is present in any solution by just utilizing this formula. As you can see here, the formula itself suggests that the ratio of number of moles of substance present in any solutions. Solution means, as I told you, that solution is nothing but the components which made by the solute and solvent. So the formula itself suggests that the mole fraction, if any solution is present by the dissolving of solute and solvent, so A will be the solute and B will be the solvent. So if you want to find out the mole fraction of A, you can utilize this formula like this: number of moles of A divided by number of moles of solutions. Means solute number of whatever the number of moles is taken in the form of solute, that will going to dissolve in number of moles of solution, and after that you will find out the mole fraction of solute. Similarly, you can also find out the mole fraction of B. Means here we are considering B is the mole fraction of solvent. So easily you can find out the number of moles of B divided by number of moles of solution, and you can easily find out the number of moles of solute as well as solvent. So mole fraction is just a number of moles of ratio of number of moles of solute or solvent present in any solution. In this topic you can find out the ratio of number of moles of solute as well as solvent. So consider here, if you want to prepare the any solution like that, you can prepare the water or you dissolve in HCl solution. So in this case water is considered as a solvent. Means, as I told you in earlier my lecture, whatever the substance is present in larger concentration, that will going to consider as a solvent, and which present in less amount, that will going to consider as a solute. So here we can easily find out the number of moles of or ratio of number of moles of solute and solvent. So we can understand this concept with the help of this problem. You can see in this problem, as I told you, mole fraction of HCl, as HCl solution is represented as XHCl. So if a solution contains 1 mole of HCl, that equivalent to the 36.5 gram, and 8 mole of water, that equal to the 144 gram, then mole fraction of HCl will be like this. So as I told you, if you want to find out the mole fraction of solute, here HCl is solute, means HCl is present in less amount, so that's why it is considered as a solute. So you can just find out the mole fraction of HCl by using this formula, as the value of mole of HCl is 1, and mole of HCl again, and mole of solvent plus solution. So like this. After calculating, you will get this value. One more important thing about the mole fraction is that sum of mole fraction should be 1. So you can easily find out the mole fraction of B also, just subtracting the value from 1. Equal value will be 1, and after that you will get the 0.111 is subtracting from 1, and you will get this much of value, 0.889. This is the mole fraction of water, and this is the mole fraction of HCl. So with the help of this formula you can easily find out the ratio of number of moles present in any solution. You can find out the ratio of number of moles of solute as well as solvent. So thanks for watching. If you like this, please subscribe our channel ALCHEM Science Tutorial for the more educational videos.